Hey there, how's it going? It's Halloween Drawings, and today we're going to go over how to draw a Halloween balloon. We're going to be using just a marker, and I hope it's really easy. It should be very easy for you, so let's get started. Before you do, hit that like button and click the subscribe, because I'm going to be posting every single day until Halloween of this year, and maybe a little bit afterward, depending on what views, what people you guys want to, what do you guys want to see, So let's get going. I'm going to draw a circle. Kind of that circular shape, but keep it tapering toward the bottom because this is a balloon. It's supposed to be a balloon. Taper off the bottom. Square toward the bottom here. Pull down a string, so it's gonna have, it already looks like a regular balloon. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw curve on here for one eye, curve on the other for the other eye, and we're gonna pull down. It's going to have kind of an angry look to it. Triangle. We're going to pull down this smile. Maybe like a little fang here. And then the little fang here. Pull up. Pull down. Another little fang at the bottom here. Another little fang here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this in. Be careful because these lines have thicknesses, so when you fill them in they might look a little bit different. And that's pretty much it. If you really want, what you could do, and let me see, maybe I can do this right now. I'm gonna grab a colored pencil and I'm gonna color this in. I'm gonna grab a crayon since it's orange, and I'm gonna color this in orange because orange is the kind of, like basically a pumpkin color, because this does have a bit of a pumpkin face on it. Just gonna color it flatly. I'm using a Rose Art brand crayon. Boom, 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 boom. If you guys need supplies or anything like that, I'm going to put a link, an Amazon link to some crayons and some colored pencils that I use and the marker. So all that stuff's going to be in the description below, so check that out. And that's pretty much it. I hope that was easy. I hope that was very simple for you to follow along. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'm going to see you tomorrow, guys. So happy Halloween.